We literally can just walk into a room and the air does its own thing with our doors and they fly into the walls. But now we have a solution, friends. These are silicone door stoppers. It comes in a pack of 6. They are quiet and absorbent, and make sure you read everything you need to know before installing so that you don't make any of the mistakes. They are adhesive and the most easy to install. You find where your doorknob hits the wall and you place the silicone adhesive there. It's clear, so it's not an eyesore, and make sure you hold it into place to get the best stick possible, and let me show you the difference. I tested it out first with just the door handle, just tapping it, and it's just such a nice cushion. And when you open the door and the door does its thing, it no longer will hit the wall. No more dents, no more sounds. You don't have to worry. I also tried it on one of our doors that hit the other door with their doorknob, and it worked so well there too. These are built to last long term, and it just gives you peace of mind for your walls and your doors. Thank you for sending these over for us to try out. These can be a game changer for your home.